past few years, a lot of updates are coming in. So let me tell you one by one what's happening here. One, with the chorus that continues to rise over an independent investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation has stepped up the probe in the case, which means, one, they visited the victim's residence for over 7 hours yesterday, recorded the family statement, tried to understand their perspective and why they are questioning the probe right now. RG Kar Hospital's former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, is now come under the scanner and more than it was earlier for alleged financial misconduct. And was he taking bribes? Did he reveal name of the victim despite fully aware of the guidelines? CBI questioned him for straight days and specifically for several hours to try and understand what was happening at the hospital. The victim's family and lawyer basically have alleged that the body of the victim was cremated in haste, hurriedly, when there were already other bodies in waiting at the crematorium. So there are a lot of questions being raised that was there a cover-up to ensure that the matter does not get the attention it got this time.
मेरा संजय के संग बहुत गलत रिश्ता चलता था। इस तरह से मैं बेटी को नहीं देख सकता था। शादी 2 साल हुआ था, उसमें बीमार गिरा, मारा धारा, बीमार गिरा, 3 महीना का पेट में बच्चा था, वो भी खराब किया। किसी के संग नहीं था। पहला एक शादी हुआ था और दूसरा में हमारी बेटी थी और उसका बाद नहीं। संजय ठीक नहीं था। अब उसको आप लोग फांसी में चढ़ाइए चाहे जो चढ़ाइए।
आपको लगता है ये जो जघन्य अपराध हुआ है संजय कर सकता है ऐसा?
अब उसमें देखिए ये अपराध में इसमें हम नहीं बोलेगा। अब जहाँ वो अकेला लड़का उसको मार खत्म कर नहीं सकेगा, अकेला तो उसका कैपेसिटी नहीं होगा।
इसलिए ये काला धागा इस देश के लिए हम लोग एक होके जो न्याय मांग रहे हैं, वी वांट जस्टिस, इसके लिए हम लोग आज यहाँ पे हैं। इतना इनोसेंट, इतना मतलब गरीब मेहनती लड़की गरीबों के लिए इतना सोचती थी, उसके साथ ऐसा जो काम करना चाहती है एक लड़की को ऐसे चले जाना हुआ।
CBI is India's prime investigation agencies. I do not want to comment on their investigation at all. I trust they'll do a good job about that. People will get justice. The court is involved in this. The Calcutta High Court is there. Now, the Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice himself, has taken the lead to hear the case suo motu. We do expect something good will come out of this.
Earlier, there was a question mark on the silence of some of the Trinamool Congress leaders. Then they organized a protest, started to speak up. And specifically now it appears, are there TMC leaders trying to make threatening remarks against the protesters who are out on the streets? Listen in to one such leader.
জনরোধ হবে যদি হাসপাতালে রোগী মারা যায়, ডাক্তাররা যদি ডাক্তারি না করে অবরোধের নাম করে বাড়ি চলে যায়, যদি বয়ফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে ঘুরতে যায় তাহলে তো অটোমেটিক হবেই। রোগী যদি বিনা চিকিৎসায় হাসপাতালে মারা যায় তাহলে মানুষ কি ছেড়ে দেবে গ্রামের মানুষ?
আমার বক্তব্য এই ঘটনায় যারা মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের দিকে আঙুল তুলছেন, নোংরা ভাষায় সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে গালাগালি করছেন, যারা আঙুল তুলে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের পদত্যাগ চাইছে, সেই আঙুলগুলোকে চিহ্নিত করে সেই আঙুলগুলোকেও ভেঙে দেওয়ার বন্দোবস্ত করতে হবে। নাহলে পরে এরা বাংলাকে একটা নতুন করে বাংলাদেশ করবার চেষ্টা করবে, কিন্তু ওরা জানে না হাসিনা যে ভুল করেছে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় সেই ভুল করবে না, করেনি। তাই আরজি করে ওইভাবে ভাঙচুর করার পরেও পুলিশ কিন্তু গুলি চালায়নি। পুলিশ এখানে বাংলাদেশ করতে দেবে না, সরকার এখানে বাংলাদেশ করতে দেবে না।
All right, so that is what is happening. Politicians making all sorts of absurd comments at the time of sensitivity that must be maintained. There is investigation going on. But today is important because Supreme Court will take suo motu cognizance of this. India Today's legal correspondent, my colleague Kanu Sarda, is joining me this morning. Kanu, good morning. While, of course, this is no surprise, we were expecting it in the past few days. But what does it mean when the Supreme Court takes suo motu cognizance of this case? What are we expecting in today's hearing?
Good morning, Pooja. Well, the Supreme Court has taken a suo motu cognizance after taking note of the fact that doctors across the country are protesting and asking for a mechanism for their security. So Supreme Court will not interfere into the investigation part of it because the Calcutta High Court is already taking care of that, and they have handed over the probe to the CBI. But as far as the bigger ambit is concerned, as far as the security of the doctors, the basic necessity that that these doctors are asking for restrooms and washrooms, etc., are not there. So the Supreme Court is going to have a bigger impact when even the health ministry could be asked to submit its response as to what are they doing for as far as the medical professionals are concerned, because these medical professionals are the backbone of the country, and if these are insecure, like what happened in
Kanu, do update us as and when that begins, because it's going to be important, because eventually what are people demanding on the streets? They're demanding change, and they're demanding that this should be the last that a woman in the country should see the kind of harm that has been happening over the years.